Today, I'll be talking about the different approaches in creating a criterion reference standard. So there are four different approaches that we can have, and those are the judgmental approach, the normative approach, the empirical approach, and the combination method. So let's break down what each one is. A judgmental approach is when an expert will define what the categories slash cutoff points are. It reflects what the experts deemed to be like the appropriate level based on their background and experiences in testing and evaluating human performance. An example of this would be like a high school varsity basketball coach deeming that to make the varsity team, you have to make 8 out of 10 free throws each time. The normative approach uses existing data to create categories, and the criterion is based not only on the expert's opinion and research, but also on what is the available norm. An example of this would be like BMI categories. The empirical approach, it uses existing valid criterions, and it basically uses that to figure out what is needed to do a particular job and and uses that to make the standard or slash cutoff point. And this is the least commonly used out of the four because it lacks a direct measurable external criterion. An example of this would be like the performance standards for a firefighter. A firefighter has to be able to carry someone out of the building, and they also need to be able to lug such heavy equipment. So a criteria for this would be being able to carry a person slash being able to put on a body vest of 30 pounds and be able to move properly. The last method would be the combination method, which is a combination of all the three approaches, the judgmental, normative, empirical approach. Since experts' opinions are norms, are based on making the criterion reference decision when looking at human performance. This method is probably the best one since it employs different methods when determining the appropriate cutoff score.